Pete Zelinski. I write about, report on manufacturing technology. I'm known in particular for my work related to additive manufacturing, which is the application of 3D printing technology to industrial uses. 3D printing to make functional objects, functional parts. Well, there is this entirely different realm of functionality that others outside of industry are realizing using 3D printing. For artists, 3D printing is a new, different, expansive means of sculpture, of realizing previously impossible 3D forms. And for architects, 3D printing is an altogether different tool, different range of possibilities for marshaling space and expressing what is possible in building, in construction. My friend Michael Molichow is raising support for a book on this realm of functionality with 3D printing, a book on 3D printed art. The work he has in mind is expansive. It involves gathering together media on showing the many ways that 3D printing is realizing new possibilities in expression. This manufacturing technology, 3D printing, is also, to just as great an extent, a technology for channeling inspiration, for enabling expression, for a new way for delivering on artistic vision, artistic voice. Recognizing the scope of the project, Michael has established a Kickstarter. He's seeking support in that way. I want to support the work. I am very much looking forward to this book. And if you're intrigued by this project, I hope you'll consider giving your support as well. Thank you.